folks, it's me again. I decided to go back to this angle just for the hell of it. And what do I got now? I have another, what do you call it? I seen this actually on another YouTube video. I got marine grade heat shrink tubing. The reason why I bought it is because like it says in here, specially designed adhesive lining for waterproof applications. Well, you're gonna think I'm crazy, but I like that little idea of adhesive because the other ones kind of just slip right off. So the next time I need, you know those little things that hold your glasses on, the little string, drawstring, the glasses? I used heat shrink tubing, it worked great, except the damn thing keeps sliding off. So now, when I fix my glasses next time, I'm using heat shrink tubing with the specially designed adhesive lining for waterproof marine applications. The marine application in this one is my ears. But other than that, I also use it for wires. But for the most part, it comes with a decent selection. I'm not going to open it yet. It's 15 1/8, 10 3/16, 8 1/4 inch, 4 3/8, 3/2 inch, and 2 3/4. It doesn't really seem like enough for anything, but there's for a couple of bucks, can't go wrong. That was decent buy. So Harbor Freight, I think they're like $4.99, I think. I don't know, I'm not sure. So yeah, that's it, man. Harbor Freight. Good. Thanks for watching to all the folks below, and if you're one of my subscribers, thanks for subscribing. Toodles.